Some new LEGO creator sets are being released in early 2025. In today's video, let's talk about the typewriter with flowers set. How are you even going to use that? Hello everyone, welcome to Second Break to the Left. Here we talk about LEGO set news, reviews and tips. Before we dive in, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. The typewriter with flowers set will be released on the 1st of January 2025. It has an item number of 31169 and has 363 pieces. This is a LEGO Creator 3-in-1 set, which means it has instructions for pieces to be made into 3 different builds. The typewriter with flowers can be built as the typewriter, or as a guitar, or as a flower pot with a memo pad and pen. Let's take a look at each of the builds. First up, the typewriter with flowers. This small pink typewriter features a collection of tiles to represent keys and a carriage that holds a sheet of brick-built paper. The set comes with 3 stickers you can attach to the paper. They're not even trying to make these stickers look good anymore. Although, I suppose if you have your own sticky labels, you can create your own fun sentences. The shape of the typewriter is rather nice and has some good curves and smooth pieces. The flowers are simple but very effective. I think the colours work really well with the pink. I really like the blue one. If this was a real typewriter, I'm not sure how you'd be able to use this with the flowers growing out of it, but I'll allow LEGO to suspend my disbelief. I am a writer, so I do quite like this. Oh, this is the point where I'm supposed to plug my book. Staring at a Sea of Stars is available to buy from lots of places you can get books online. It's a science fiction, alien invasion, space fleet mystery with some complex characters. If you like things like Star Trek and Babylon 5, then this might be the book for you. Back to the LEGO. The next set is the guitar. Whoa, do they even make these anymore? Like as a real playable instrument? As a millennial, these felt pretty dated even when I was a kid. Have they made a comeback? Anyway, the LEGO guitar features a pink model with keys and brick controls. There are 2 flowers and a butterfly. Cute! The final build is the flower pot with a memo pad and pen. The flowers are once again pretty and take centre stage here. The pot is very simple, but it's fine for a set like this. I think the pink colour works well with the brightly coloured flowers. The notepad is simple, but it looks great, and that pen looks really good. I'm absolutely the type of person who would pick that up and try and write with it. As for the price, in the UK this will cost £24.99, in the US it'll be $29.99, and in parts of Europe it'll be €29.99. I'm okay with that price. I don't think this is as well priced as some of the other LEGO Creator 3-in-1 sets we've looked at over the past few days, but I still think it's a pretty good price and well worth the money. There are aspects of this set I really like, and I can see this being popular with young aspiring writers. Each of the builds are unique, and although I'm less fussed about the guitar, I do really like the typewriter and flower pot. This isn't the first time LEGO have released a typewriter, as we recently saw the 18+ one released in 2021. That version was a lot more complex, consisting of over 2,000 pieces, and had a maturer colour palette. This smaller set is obviously more targeted to younger LEGO fans, but I don't think it's a bad option for those on a budget or those who prefer a softer aesthetic. It's a pretty and fun set with an affordable price tag. I think that's a great combo for a LEGO set. Well, those are my thoughts. What do you think about this set? Let me know in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like as it really helps out my channel. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!